Picture this. You've just launched your coaching business. You're juggling multiple roles, feeling overwhelmed by the day-to-day tasks and wondering how to scale effectively. Sound familiar? If so, this video is exactly what you need. We're gonna break down the essential first hire that will not only lighten your load, but also set the foundation for your success. So stay tuned to find out who that key person is and how they can transform your coaching practice. Hi, I'm Jennifer Kem, but you can call me Jen. I'm the founder of the Master Brand Institute, and here we guide founders, experts, thought leaders, and entrepreneurs to build a wildly profitable personal brand from the inside out through the power of team, identity, messaging, and experiences. I upload a new video every Friday, so be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, click the bell icon so that you're notified when new content is available. Now, on to today's video. You're probably watching this video because you're feeling the pinch of trying to juggle too many tasks at once. Maybe you're spending more time on administrative work than actually coaching, or perhaps you're struggling to keep up with client communications and scheduling. These challenges are common in the early stages of growing a coaching practice, and knowing who to hire first can make all the difference. The first hire you should consider is an administrative assistant. On our campus, we call this role a mobilizer. This role is crucial because it allows you to delegate time-consuming tasks such as scheduling, email management, invoicing, and client follow-ups. An effective admin can help you stay organized and ensure that nothing else falls through the cracks, giving you more time to focus on your clients and your coaching sessions. Hiring your first team member is a big step, but it's one that can significantly boost your productivity and help you grow your coaching practice. Start with a part-time mobilizer to take those essential but time-consuming tasks off your plate so you can focus on what truly matters, which is your clients and your coaching. Now, you might be wondering where to find the right person for this role. Look for candidates on job boards, LinkedIn, or even through professional networks. You want someone who is detail-oriented, reliable, and has excellent communication skills. As I mentioned, you want to consider starting with a part-time or a virtual assistant if you're not ready for a full-time commitment, and that's probably true for you if you're just starting out. Once you found the right person, it's essential to onboard them effectively. You need to take some time to provide clear instructions, set expectations, and gradually delegate tasks to ensure a smooth transition. Regular check-ins and feedback sessions will help them integrate into your workflow and understand your coaching practice's unique needs. Now, I know that sounds easier than said than done, but you can do it if you start to think about all the things you're not good at and giving them to someone else to handle them for you so you can be the best coach ever. So that's a wrap on today's video. Remember, this YouTube channel is all about helping entrepreneurs and CEOs understand how to easily transform their team into a unicorn team. If you want to better understand the overarching idea of building a unicorn team, check out this video here. And if you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so you can get this video in front of more CEOs who need help growing their unicorn team. Be also sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you're notified when new content is released. Also, we got something fun for you down below. Take the Brand Archetype quiz. It is going to help you refine your messaging in a way that feels authentic to you, and it's free and right down in the description below. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get the right messaging and team support to build the wealth, power, and leadership you are meant to bring to the world. Until next time.